got the bars. I got the BSD grind bars. Nice. This is the Shadow Churning top load stem. In here I have a daily grind headset like bearings, but I just have a Colt everyday maintain spacer. I got Rant Twin Peak forks with the Ramp Party On V2s, I think, but female hub, nice. Under the frame, I'm running the Mongoose L80 frame. I have all things, you know, but just that one. Back to the cranks. These are the Mongoose L80 cranks. It was a complete bike. I've changed everything besides the bottom bracket, but because I got the wrong size. But so I gotta get a new bottom bracket, and the seat came on the bike, cranks came on the bike. I gotta get new cranks, but I got Shadow pedals. I believe they're the Ravager, but yeah. Over here I got Shadow sprocket and a Shadow chain. It's actually a half link, much stronger, much nicer, a little bit more expensive though. Mongoose LED seat, and then onto this back wheel. That thing is nice. That is cut off again, but this is the Shadow Symbol real cassette wheel. Very nice. But yeah, that is my bike check. It's a little dirty, but we're good. And stay tuned for Wyatt's bike check. He actually just built up a $1,500 bike, so stay tuned for Friday for that. That'll be a fun one. All three of us are gonna be there, and yeah. But yeah, that's my bike. Subscribe.